Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says 15 coupons are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 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 15 respectively. So, you have 15 consecutive coupons. Okay, now you have to understand this part that 7 coupons are selected at random. So you have to select 7 coupons one at a time. So you can pick one number at a time with replacement. So you have to pick and then again place it at the same box, and then next time you have to pick and then again pick. Okay, so with replacement you have to do this thing. Okay, now the probability that the largest number appearing on selected coupon is 9. So you have to find out the probability in which uh, you have you will be selecting some numbers. Okay, so in those selected numbers the largest number should be 9, means you cannot select 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so look at this how I will approach this question. So required probability would be, first what I will do, I will suppose I am allowed to select 1 to 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I'll select only those. I will assume that I'm selecting those. Okay, so in first 9, in second 9, in third 9, I have 9 choices that I'm quoting as 9. Fourth trial 9, fifth 9, sixth 9, seventh 9. So in all the cases I am selecting 9 situations, means 7 situations. So it would become 9 to the power 7. Now in this case there would be some cases in which we have selected number less than or equal to 8. So we will remove those situations in which we haven't selected uh, the max number as 9. The max number would end up being 7, 6, 8, like this. So we will remove all those cases where we have selected a number less than or equal to 8. So in first choice 8, second choice 8, third choice 8 dot dot dot, seventh choice 8. So this is the favorable outcome, means you have removed all the cases in which you have selected a number less than or equal to 8. So this is your favorable outcome. Now total number of outcome is, in first case you can select 15. Okay, so 15, 15, 15, 15. How many times? 7 times. So this is your required probability for the given question. I hope the idea is clear. Let's jump on to the next question, which is like conceptually similar idea. But look at this. Over there they have connected maximum. Now look at this. What does this question quotes? Two numbers are selected randomly from the set of this first 6 natural number without replacement. Now you cannot do the replacement. Okay, and you have to handpick one by one, means you have to select only two numbers, one number, second number. The probability that minimum of the two number is less than 4. Okay, so if you will select two number, so among those numbers the number which is minimum, the minimum number should be less than 4 only, then only it is your favorable case. Now look at this how I will solve this question. So we have required probability. Now try to understand that it is, in previous question they have connected maximum, and in this case they have connected minimum. Okay, now as you have selected number one by one without replacement, so order will also matter. Okay, so first I will try to find out the cases which I have to reject. Okay, now look at this. First try to understand this part. So like suppose I have to handpick one number. So right now I'm having 6 choices. Out of 6 I have to select one. So I have selected one. Now in that box we are left with 5 numbers, out of which we have to select one, and our task is not completed, so we have to multiply. So it is 5c1. Okay, so this is the total number of ways. So as it is maximum and the numbers are very less, so we can do this thing by using concept of bijection. So altogether the total number of cases is 6c1, 5c1 minus, I'll remove all the ways in which by mistake I have selected minimum number as greater than or equal to 4. So suppose that I have selected 4 and 5. So I have to reject this. I have to reject 4 and 6 as well. Okay, and this like order will also matter. So if I'll remove first 5 and 4, this is also important. 6, 4. So this is also important. Okay, now we have 5. Okay, so what I'll go with 5 and 6, 6 and 5. So this is also important. Now if you'll observe, now you cannot remove any other case. Okay, so we have to reject these 6 cases to get the final result. So you have to remove this 6 case when it will hold wrong. Okay, so you know that 6c1 is 6 only. Okay, and 5c1 is 5. So it is 30 minus 6 upon 30. So it is 24 by 30. So the answer is 4 by 5. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.